Hi, I'm DevRow, and welcome to the third devlog. Bob complained, so we added a little bit of glittering so you can find the tools better. Can you show the hammer, please? Thank you. As you see, the new animation system is now in. I added animations for all of the interactions we have so far, like getting rocks, harvesting in general. I also added the new models from Blender, as you see on the axes, and the pickaxe, the hammer. There's still a little glitch with the way he carries objects, but there are no two carry animations. If he carries one, he has one arm up, and two, he needs both hands. So it doesn't look like I did a lot today, but it is all legwork for upcoming features, so the animations will be really important in the future, and so will be the other stuff I added on the side. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did so, why not like, share, subscribe, drink some water, and I catch you all next time. Bye bye.